Right now we are going to make this beautiful cake with tulips. We'll make a beautiful cup of tulips with 3 Russian tulip piping tips. We will also make them different in color to create an ombre effect. You can find the lesson on how to make this beautiful scaly side in the description to this video. We have a cake, we have already smoothed it and made an ornament on the side. All we need to do is make beautiful tulips on top. But first we need to make a critical decision. We need to decide where to put dark tulips. We will have dark flowers on the edge, growing lighter towards the center, or we will have dark tulips in the center and lighter tulips around them. Or shall we make all tulips of the same color? Depending on this decision, we can get 3 absolutely different cakes. I've decided to put dark tulips in the center and then make flowers grow lighter and lighter toward the edges. Let's start with the darkest tulips. We take some cream. The cream is fluffy, so we need to stir it well when adding the food color to get nice tulips. You can make nice tulips with Russian piping tips if you have stretchy, not too airy cream. I'll stir this fluffy cream thoroughly to make it go flat. If we try making tulips with airy cream, we will probably fail. Right now I have a Russian tulip piping tip number N4L. All in all, we will use 3 piping tips to decorate this cake. I take piping tip number 4L. I put it onto the bag and paint both the piping bag and the tip. I take the same lilac food color which I used for coloring the cream. You can use any beautiful lilac color you have. We paint the piping bag. I pour some food color into the bag and distribute it with a brush. I make sure the food color doesn't trickle down between the bag and the couple. I need it on the bag, inside the couple and inside the piping tip, because that's where most of our cream will be. Now I put the cream into the bag. I need to make the next color at once. We will make gentle lilac tint next. I put some white cream into the same bowl we used for making a dark lilac tint. I stir it well, scraping all the colored cream from the walls. This color should be enough to make a pale lilac tint. I stir it well, bearing in mind that you can't make nice tulips with Russian piping tip using fluffy, airy cream. You need to stir it thoroughly first. I stirred the cream well. Now I open the piping bag with dark cream inside and put my light cream on top of darker cream. Now I have a nice, tight, full bag, and I can get down to decorating the cake. I start from the center.
Первый, второй,
I'm trying to make the tulips higher. One of my flowers fell down. I'll pick it up. I'd better remove it so that it wasn't in the way.
Так, вот, сделала.
Now I start making another circle of tulips around these central flowers. Now we shall start getting dark tulips with a light lilac center. We managed to make a circle of lighter flowers. It's time to put cream of another color into the bag. So, right now we will make another tint. For the next tint I take electric pink food color. I have Americolor electric pink, but you can use electric pink color of any other manufacturer. It's a cold tint. It gives you cold pink color instead of regular warm pink color. I add food color little by little and stir it in. I will add some lilac cream from the piping bag to tone down this pink tint a little. I don't take much, just a teaspoon. Alright, next tint is done. We open the bag with dark and light lilac cream, we are only using one bag this time, and put pink cream into it as well. We do our best not to let any air get between the cream layers. And we go on decorating our cake right away. Now we should start getting lighter tulips, because light cream moved closer to the tip. And then we will make a circle of flowers with pink centers.
Ой, я, наверное, его уберу. Мне не нравится этот тюльпан.
I'm already getting pink centers. I'll change the piping tip. I'll take piping tip number 130L now.
Какие у нас красивые тюльпаны получаются уже с разводами.
Now it's time to add a yet lighter tint to our piping bag. We simply put some white cream into the bowl where we made all other tints and stir it well. We will get a very pleasant candy floss flower. Halfway through, I realized I have no room left for the light tulips and I have too many dark tulips. So I will remove some of the flowers. If you make too many flowers, simply remove some. It's your cake. It's you who is making the cake, so you decide where and what flowers to put. Let's see what color we are getting right now. We have a pink center. Let's make a few more flowers here to get rid of the dark color. And we go on with the cake. We are getting a very light center now. If you start getting closed flowers, you need to clean the piping tip well. You can even rinse it with water. I take more white cream. I'm running out of cream, so I take some more and stir it well in the bowl. We go on making tulips. Here I will change the piping tip again. I like this piping tip as well. You can make very realistic tulips with it. They have a beautiful round center. Have a look. Here you can see the difference between the piping tips. The last piping tip gives us many small petals inside. The piping tip before last gives us round petals both inside and outside. The flowers look very much like real tulips. There are different sorts of tulips, of course, so we have different sorts of piping tips here. And in the middle we have tulips with 3 main petals covering the fluffy center with stamen. You'd better put the flowers upright in the center. Then you start inclining the piping tip outwards little by little, and by the end you put the tulips a little sideways. This way it looks like a real bouquet of fresh flowers. Let's make the greenery for our tulips. We take the cream we didn't use. It's the cream which we piped out to get another color and the cream we used just for practicing. We put all this cream into the bowl. Now we add green color right into this pinky lilac cream. Pink and lilac tint in the cream will give our greenery a more natural olive shade. Right now we have a very beautiful sunny color. If you want, you can use such color for the greenery, but I'd like to turn down this color a bit more. I take black food color. It's perfect for toning down the greenery and making it more natural. I add black color and stay it in. We take a new clean bag for making the greenery. First we make a V-shaped cut in the bag. We are going to make large leaves, so we turn the piping bag into a large piping tip. I have some pink food color left on the brush, so I make a pink stripe with it first. I also add a drop of green color and make a few stripes with it inside the bag. Now I take black color and add a drop of it into the bag. My black food color is very liquid. It can flow right out of the piping bag, so I need to be careful with it. And I want to make my pink stripe brighter. I add a drop of a lilac color which we used for coloring the flowers on the cake. That's it. I ended up having such a striped piping bag. Now I put my greenery into it. I close the piping bag and move all the cream closer to the edge. Let's see what we have here. But I would like to make bigger leaves, so I need to cut a bigger hole. I take the scissors and repeat the same procedure again. We make large leaves along the edge. Press the piping bag against the cake, press the piping bag and form beautiful leaves. We also add some leaves among the tulips, where we have room for them. But this time I pull them up carefully, close to the tulip, like this. Now I take some white cream, stir it well and put it into a clean piping bag. Cut a small hole in the bag. And I make some small white dots on my large green leaves. They look like teeny flowers. You can add some of these small white dots among the flowers as well, where you have too much empty space. You can use them to cover some bare spots. Put some white dots carefully between the flowers. Thank you for your likes. I hope you enjoyed this video lesson. Thank you for the inspiration your comments give me. And here you can find a lesson on getting the cake side.